Inside ETFs in Fort Lauderdale. I'm here with Todd Cassler, who's the president of financial institutions at John Hancock. Hi Todd, how are you doing?
How you doing?
I was wondering if you could maybe talk about the relationship that John Hancock has with dimensional fund advisors with regard to your ETFs.
Yeah, we have a great relationship with dimensional fund advisors. We've had a long history working with them, and I think it starts a number of years ago when we looked at entering the smart beta segment. And we have this unique manager-manager model where we go out and find best-in-class managers. We apply an extensive due diligence process, and then we make it available, whether that's in an ETF or mutual fund. And so as it related to dimensional, when we thought about getting into the smart beta segment, we wanted to find the best in class as it related to smart beta investing. And dimensional fund advisors had a terrific reputation. They've been working in that segment for over 30 years and arguably are best in class. So we couldn't be more excited about our partnership with them. It's been great to this point, and we think there's a lot of opportunity going forward.
What's unique about your lineup is that you've got not only the dimensional methodology, but you also have sector ETFs that are using smart beta strategies. How are investors using those?
Yeah, I think it really depends on the investor. So, obviously we have two parts to our lineup. We have the traditional asset classes, so large cap, mid cap, small cap, developed markets, and then we have the sectors. And so when we thought about bringing the products to market, we looked at it from two perspectives. One is asset allocation. So there's a whole host of advisors that are building traditional strategic asset allocation where the traditional products work really well in their portfolios. The second part was for those folks that are more active asset allocators, so rep as PM, strategists who are doing more tactical asset allocation and thinking about using sectors as part of their overall capital markets implementation. So we think we have best of both worlds between the traditional style box products and then the sectors, and it's giving clients access to something that they otherwise wouldn't have access to.
This is kind of a little off topic, but the GICS sector structure is being changed. Will the John Hancock ETFs reflect that?
So we reconstitute the indexes on a semi-annual basis. So we work with dimensional fund advisors on the index construction, and so we're always going to stay on the forefront of that. And as things get updated, we'll update the products accordingly.
The last product you rolled out was the small cap fund. What kind of demand did you see for that before it came out?
Well, I mean, obviously, Dimensional has a long reputation as a small cap investment manager and has a great reputation there. And so as we were rolling out the Dimensional ETF products, we constantly heard from advisors who really are interested in the small cap capability and the strategies. So we launched it in November. We're really excited about the product. We've gotten a great amount of attention and interest, and so we think it's going to be a home run for us in 2018.
Can you talk a little bit about the methodology, what you're capturing with the dimensional strategy? Right?
Yeah, I mean, it starts back with Fama and French.
Yes.
Dimensional's been using this philosophy for over 30 years. They are the kind of gold standard in factor-based investing. So they're looking at three characteristics. They're looking at valuation, they're looking at cap, and profitability. So those are the three factors that are driving a lot of the work that they're doing in the smart beta segment.
This is Heather Bell at Inside ETFs with Todd Cassler, president of financial institutions at John Hancock. If you'd like to see more of our videos, check them out on ETF.com.